Here's an easy way to upgrade your air filter and your compressor and maybe quiet it down a little bit. And this one has a regular pipe fitting coming out of the head. Just put an elbow on and weld the plate to the bottom of the air filter. This is from probably a mid-70s 2-barrel Chevy. Takes a much larger element, probably less expensive element. And in my case, I put the opening away to help direct some of the noise towards the corner. So I think it does make it a little bit quieter. Just make sure you get it up high enough so you're not walking into it when you're walking by the compressor for this particular model. Some guys put a car muffler on in line with the air filter. I guess that might help keep it quieter, but this is what I had and seemed to do the trick for me.